Hello, welcome back to Farawa. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make easy banana bread. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then, in a medium bowl, soften 1/2 cup of butter. That's about 1 stick. Add 3/4 a cup of brown sugar and mix until creamy. Stir in 2 eggs, then mash 2 1/3 cups banana, which is about 3 to 4 whole. Add the mashed banana to the medium bowl. Once you've got that mixed up, slowly stir the medium bowl mixture into the large bowl mixture and stir until fully combined. Then, lastly, if you want, you can add in walnuts, cranberries, chocolate chips, or seeds. I put in about 1/3 cup walnuts to 1/3 cup chocolate chips. Choose a baking container. 8 inches by 8 inches will be wide, but with little volume. That's what I did the first time I made this, but I think this one is about 9 by 5 and it will give you at least an inch or so of volume once the batter rises. Line the pan with either grease like butter or oil or a lining like wax paper or silicone. I used paper for this one, but for the other banana breads I've made, I draped a thin silicone sheet into the container. Now it's ready for the oven. Bake it for about 60 to 65 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean from the center. After it's out of the oven, let it sit in the container for just a bit before taking it out and letting it cool on a rack. I prefer the banana bread warm, and I think it's best to eat within a few days of baking. However, popping it in the toaster adds a nice crisp if it starts to lose its moisture. I think it turned out really well and have made it at least twice since, and will certainly be making it again. If you'd like to see more content like this more often, check out our Instagrams, farawa.house and Moth and Fox. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye for now from Farawa. And I've met some creatures who shadow